Welcome to our exclusive first look at the 2025 Keystone Montana, the ultimate fifth wheel for luxury and adventure. If you're searching for a high-end RV packed with comfort, innovation, and top-tier craftsmanship, this is the model for you. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Montana boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with high-gloss fiberglass sidewalls, full-body paint options, and upgraded LED lighting. The newly designed front cap enhances both aesthetics and fuel efficiency when towing. A sturdy, road-ready frame combined with a 6-point hydraulic auto-leveling system ensures a smooth and stable setup at any campsite. Pass-through storage with motion sensor lighting makes organizing gear easier than ever. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted with an expansive, open-concept living space featuring high-end furnishings and modern decor. The Montana is known for its residential-style comfort, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. Plush theater seating with heat and massage, a tri-fold sleeper sofa, and an entertainment center with a 50-inch smart TV and a built-in sound system create the perfect relaxation zone. A new electric fireplace with adjustable heat settings adds warmth and ambience to your space. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, a spacious pantry, solid surface countertops, and a residential 4-burner stove with an oven. The new soft close cabinetry and deep farmhouse sink provide convenience and style. A central island offers additional prep space, making cooking on the road easier than ever. Moving to the bedroom, the 2025 Montana offers a spacious retreat with a king-size bed, an upgraded memory foam mattress, and abundant storage, including underbed compartments and a large wardrobe. The washer and dryer prep option allows for extended trips without the need for laundromats. Soft LED lighting, USB charging ports, and a whisper-quiet air conditioning system ensure maximum comfort day and night. The bathroom features a spa-inspired design with a one-piece fiberglass shower, a teak seat, and a sliding glass door. A porcelain toilet, dual vanity sinks, and ample storage for toiletries make it feel like a home away from home. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Montana, with an upgraded One Control smart system that allows you to monitor and control key features from your smartphone. From adjusting the climate to extending the awning, everything is at your fingertips. Solar panels and lithium-ion battery compatibility offer energy efficiency for off-grid adventures. Outdoor living is just as enjoyable, with a large power awning featuring LED lighting, exterior speakers, and an outdoor kitchen option for effortless entertaining. The Montana's insulated design and heated underbelly provide year-round camping capability, making it perfect for any season. Keystone continues to push boundaries with quality craftsmanship and customer-driven innovations, making the 2025 Montana one of the most desirable fifth wheels on the market. Whether you're a full-time RVer or a weekend explorer, this fifth wheel is designed to enhance your travel experience with unparalleled luxury and convenience. Thanks for watching our walkthrough of the 2025 Keystone Montana. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more RV tours and camping tips. Let us know in the comments what feature you love most about this incredible fifth wheel. See you on the road.